how to start a profitable business and scale it up. Want to start a business that actually makes money and then scale it into something? The secret isn't simply having a great idea. You need a real problem, paying customers, healthy profits, and systems that can handle growth. Here's how to get started.
Step 1, solve a real problem. First, find a problem that people are willing to pay to solve. Ask yourself, who has this problem? How serious is it? And are people already spending money on?
Don't build your business around assumptions. Research your customers first.
Step 2, create a strong offer. Vertical bar 12:32 a.m., 12:48 a.m. Next, create an offer that gives people a clear reason to buy. Explain what you provide, who it is for, what problem it solves, and why your solution is valuable.
Solution is valuable. Start simple. You can improve the offer as you learn from customers. Don't spend a fortune before proving there's demand. Start with a small launch, simple website, social media. Track your revenue, costs, profit margins, marketing expenses, and cash flow. Remember, high sales don't automatically mean high profits. Know exactly how much it costs to acquire a customer and how much profit each customer generates.
Step 5, build a repeatable sales system. Once you've found something that works, create a system for getting customers consistently. Use channels such as social media, SEO, email marketing, content,
partnerships, or paid advertising. Measure your results and focus on the channels that produce profitable customers.
Step 6, build systems and delegate. To scale, your business can't depend on you doing everything. Document your processes, automate repetitive tasks, and gradually delegate work when appropriate.
This gives you more time to focus on growth. Finally, scale carefully. Start small. Prove the idea. Build systems, protect your profit. Then grow.
That's how you turn a small business into a scalable business. Like, subscribe, and follow for more practical business tips.